Happy Resurrection Day to everybody. Jesus is risen. Yes, indeed, He is risen. He's not in the tomb. The death couldn't hold Him anymore. If we see in the Bible, John chapter 20, we see a woman, Mary Magdalene. She was going to the tomb and then taking some spices to apply on the body of Jesus. And when she went with some of the women there, she saw the tomb was opened. Jesus was not in the tomb. And then when she saw that Jesus was not in the tomb, she started crying. And she was seeking Jesus in the garden. She was crying and weeping for Jesus because she was searching Jesus in the tomb. But Jesus was not in the tomb. Just as He said, just as the scripture says that Jesus will rise. Just as He said, He has risen. So the death couldn't hold Jesus. But this lady was searching Jesus. Jesus' body, not the resurrected Christ. Here we see Jesus appeared to her. And then he called her, "Daughter, whom are you searching for? Why are you crying?" Resurrected Christ appeared to her. Whereas she was searching Jesus in the tombs, but Jesus appeared to her with His resurrection power. So God has blessed her to see the resurrected Christ. So today, I just wanted to say that you are searching something in tombs, in somewhere where you don't get that. Jesus is there. He is risen. He is not in the tombs. He is already risen. The resurrected Christ is with us. His resurrection power will enable us to walk with Him, even to go ahead. Her fears were removed. She was full of tears, but her tears turned into joy. The moment she saw Jesus, her heart is filled with joy. So Jesus alone is the joy giver to us. He can remove all our fears. He can remove all our tears. He will turn every morning into dancing. So this resurrection day, I just wanted to say that your tears and your fears will turn into joy when you see resurrected Christ, not Jesus' dead body in the tomb. He's already risen. The risen Christ will give you strength to walk ahead. The risen Christ will empower you to see the glorious days in your life. Just as nothing could hold Jesus. The death couldn't hold Jesus because He broke the thorn of death. And He is risen. So He will not let you be down. He will not let you fall in tears and fears. He will raise you. The resurrected Christ will help you to turn all your tears into the tears of joy, your all fears into joy. So God bless you all. Have a blessed and wonderful resurrection day. God bless you.